Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize shortcut cards on your AMAZFIT Active Max. So first, we need to go over and scroll to the left side. Now here we have our widgets. So these are our shortcut cards. We want to scroll down and here click the pen. So here we can get rid of every single shortcut card that we had, and we can add, let's say, one card. We want to get rid of the phone. Now we can add our heart rate, sleep for an example. We can add the Zap Pay. Here we can scroll down and add events, stress, and for an example, to-do list. Now after we leave, we will have everything that we have added. So this is how you guys can easily customize them. It's pretty easy. All you guys have to do is click it and then select the ones that you want on your watch. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.